Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Isd1820 correctly. This is critical. Connect micro USB to a 5V supply or a 3. 7V LiPo to the VCC and G&D pins and make sure polarity is correct. Once powered, attach an 816 Omega speaker to SB Plus and SB. If you plan to store long messages, insert a micro SD, otherwise rely on the onboard chip. Now move the REC/play switches to the neutral position, so the module is ready for the next steps. Now you record. Press and hold the red REC button and speak clearly into the onboard microphone. Release to finalize the message. Once done, toggle Play E to hear the entire recording. Play L and Play H change playback speed, use them for pitch control. For automated control, connect the PE, PL, and PR pins to your microcontroller and drive them with a 0 to 5V pulse. Hold low normally. Make sure debounce and pulse width are about 5200 ms for reliable triggering. Finish by integrating the Isd1820 into your project. Chain messages by sending sequential pulses to PR with 200-500 ms gaps, and combine Play L or Play H for varied playback effects. If you need louder output, add a simple amplifier or increase speaker efficiency. Make sure not to exceed the module's voltage. If something goes wrong, first check the speaker resistance and the supply voltage. Most problems are power or wiring related. If mute persists,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.